Are you looking for the best mag drills? Top 5 magnetic drill presses for precision and power. Magnetic drill presses, commonly known as mag drills, have surged in popularity for their precision, portability, and unmatched performance in metalworking. Whether you're a professional fabricator, a construction worker, or a DIY enthusiast, mag drills are essential for drilling through thick steel with ease. In this guide, we reviewed the top 5 mag drills on Amazon.
Product number 1. DeWalt Drill Press Magnetic 2-inch 10 amp with 2-speed setting DWE1622K. The DeWalt DWE1622K is a top-tier mag drill, blending industrial-grade durability with user-friendly controls. Its 10 amp motor offers robust performance, while the 2-speed setting 300/450 RPM provides flexibility for different materials and cutter sizes. Weighing just 47.6 pounds, it's highly portable for job site mobility. The quick change chuck system makes switching between accessories easy, and the integrated overload protection ensures long-term reliability. One standout feature is the magnetic coolant bottle, which enhances drill longevity and performance. DeWalt's trusted brand name combined with high-quality build makes it a go-to choice for professionals. It also includes a heavy-duty carry case for secure transport.
Product number 2. S&F Steadfast Mag Drill Press Kit, 1100 watt portable magnetic drill, 700 RPM, no load speed. This S&F Steadfast Mag Drill is a powerful and budget-conscious option for contractors and DIYers. Boasting a 1,100 watt motor and a no load speed of 700 RPM, it's more than capable for most metal drilling tasks. The magnetic base offers a solid grip on flat surfaces, reducing vibration and improving accuracy. While it lacks advanced features like variable speed or digital readouts, it shines in simplicity and raw power. It comes with a solid carry case and a set of accessories that are rare in this price range. At under 40 pounds, it's also one of the more portable mag drills in its class. Product number 3. Haugen HMD 900 Magnetic Drill 115V. The Haugen HMD 900 is built for heavy-duty applications and is well known for its exceptional torque and low-maintenance operation. With a 115V industrial motor, this mag drill is ideal for structural steel, fabrication, and general construction tasks. The ergonomic design makes it easy to operate for long periods, and the included pilot light aids in low-light drilling conditions, an underrated but useful feature. Its lifting safety switch ensures safe operation, and Haugen's proprietary rigid quill feed arbor adds precision. While it comes at a premium price point, it's a tool built to last for years under demanding conditions. Product number 4. Zelkin Magnetic Drill Press with 6 drill bits. 1550 watt mag drill press with 2-inch diameter, 3125 lbf or 13,900 Newton mag force. The Zelkin magnetic drill press stands out with its impressive 1550 watt motor and a whopping 13,900 Newton magnetic force, offering exceptional stability even when working on vertical surfaces. With a drilling capacity of 2-inch diameter and 2-inch depth, it's suitable for large-scale metalworking projects. It includes 6 HSS drill bits, adding great value right out of the box. The motor runs smoothly, and despite its high power, the noise levels are manageable. Its adjustable height and quick-release system add convenience for users handling diverse materials. While it's not the lightest, its power-to-price ratio makes it a smart investment. Product number 5. S&F Steadfast Annular Cutter Set 13-piece, cutting depth 2-inch, cutting diameter 7/16 inch to 1 1/16 inch. Although not a drill press itself, this S&F Steadfast Annular Cutter Set is an essential companion for any mag drill owner. The 13-piece set offers high-speed steel cutters, ranging from 7/16 inch to 1 1/16 inch, with a 2-inch cutting depth, making it compatible with most major mag drills. The cutters are precision ground for fast, clean holes with minimal effort. Ideal for structural steel, pipe, and fabrication tasks, the set comes in a durable plastic case for easy storage and transport. This is a smart buy for those looking to upgrade their current mag drill's cutting performance without breaking the bank.